Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Kaleidos makeup Lucid lips and the lip tonics. As you can see, the outer packaging is very different to what we are used to seeing for lip products. I've had the opportunity to try this brand's products and I can say that they really do stand out for their artistic packaging. These have actually been out for a couple months and I did receive these for free in PR. This video is not sponsored in any other way other than I did get these for free. So they have a total of 3 glosses and 5 liquid lipsticks. Each retails for $16, or they do have a bundle of the 3 new lipsticks and the 3 glosses for $89, which brings it down to $14.84 per lip product. These lip products are vegan and cruelty free. The glosses are very shiny and I love that the formula isn't sticky. They feel comfortable on the lips. I did notice that the 2 translucent shades do a great job at hiding if you have chapped lips. For the liquid lipsticks, these are comfortable as well. They are not dry and I like that they feel lightweight on the lips. For the 2 red tones, I did notice some staining. In my opinion, these are not long-lasting liquid lipsticks. So overall, if you like these shades, I definitely recommend them. I feel that these are very pretty glosses that you could toss in your purse and use them with a no makeup look. For the liquid lipsticks, if you like a lightweight formula, I definitely recommend these. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have tried these or are planning. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.